front handspring. I had a bit of trouble at the start with this move, I'm not too sure why. And I have a lot of gymnasts on this channel, especially with the aerial. This is sort of like a front aerial sort of progression. Like an aerial, you use 2 hands first and then go to 1 hand and then no hands. So if I do this correctly, no hands, it's a front aerial. For tricking, it's more of a Webster sort of thing. I think the only prerequisite for this is maybe an aerial. Handstand definitely helps this a lot. I was taught was pretty much just do a handstand, eh? To go into handstand, I usually kick from the right. I'm trying to be able to do it both ways. Oh god, my handstands are getting better. So you're doing the same kick, instead of stopping at the top, kicking over your body, but not, so here's your body, you're not kicking like this, you're kicking in this sort of angle. I kick up over my head and into the sky. Body's here, I'm trying to kick over here to 45, so I get the height and also the direction of the foot where it needs to land. I'm just really working on getting the chest up when I'm landing so I can go into another trick. 1, 2. That was crap. Let me try again. Go one-handed. Try this actually before. Why not? Hands down. One will reach back to get more height. Yeah, let's just not overthink this process. Right hand is just touch. Let's go front aerials. Pretty much like a Webster, I think. I'm traveling a lot, so instead of going, I push back. Oh yeah! Let's try to get some more height. Height with the arms. So instead of coming down, when I'm about to land, bring them up with the leg. But I think my legs are still bent. That's a flexibility thing, guys, I'm sorry. I'm 23 years old. I've never been able to do splits. I've been trying to stretch it out, but there's limitations to me right now. All the way around. Yeah, that one felt nice. There's this combo I wanted to do with this. See, I land on my right foot first, so when I come around, I'll go foot and then left foot. What I'm going to try to do is keep the right foot, bend it a bit, sort of axe kick it behind into a scoop. Anything can happen. The biggest thing is I want to get a bit more height so I can get my right foot onto the ground sooner, leave the left foot up a bit so it can come around. Over here, there's a tree there. A bit more. I dropped the toe the other day. Freaking kicked my toe the other day. Okay. I'm gonna call the video there. Oh, my toe hurts so much. That's front handspring and front aerial, which I was not expecting to get today. Substandard. Lots of work to do with them. So thank you for watching this video. I keep saying this, sorry about lack of videos. Shit. Stuff always comes up with my life at the moment. Very unpredictable. Probably outfit. So you're probably gonna see the same outfit for the next couple videos. Yes, I did Tamara. Yeah, it's pretty hard. Rewarding, the Macca speed was after.